Brett Hankison was quite emotional when he took the stand Wednesday. This as he tried to explain why he ran to the side of Breonna Taylor's apartment and started firing into a sliding glass door, even though he could not see what or who he was shooting at.
As I made that corner, that percussion, that muzzle flash intensified.
And was it your perception that that muzzle flash was coming from your brother officers?
No, sir.
Former LMPD officer Brett Hankison was there the night they executed a no-knock search warrant at Breonna Taylor's apartment in March of 2020. Her boyfriend, Kenneth Walker, fired a single shot, hitting former Sergeant John Mattingly in the thigh.
I knew Sergeant, I knew Sergeant Mattingly was down, and I knew they were trying to get to him. And it appeared to me that they were being executed with this rifle.
So what did you do?
I returned fire.
Hankison fired several rounds into the sliding glass door of Taylor's apartment, 3 of which entered the apartment of her neighbors who testified earlier in the trial.
I saw Ms. Napper, Mr. Etherington up here for the first time, and I felt sincere empathy for them. That was something, if my daughter was shot at or bullets came into our house, that would be very concerning, and I apologize to her for that.
The prosecutors challenged Hankison's rationale for shooting into the side door, not knowing who he could have hit with gunfire.
Were you concerned that if you shot through the sliding door, you might hit one of your fellow officers?
Absolutely not.
Before the defense rested their case, Hankison did address Breonna Taylor's family by saying that she did not need to die that night, by which the prosecution called for an objection. Stefan Dingle, WLKY News.
Closing arguments are scheduled for tomorrow morning.